Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a wonderful dessert for all the coffee lovers. We're going to make this delicious and creamy coffee pudding. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. I've taken about 6 digestive biscuits, roughly break them and add them to a mixer jar and grind them to a nice fine powder. Add about 2 teaspoons of ghee to the biscuit mixture and mix it all well. The ghee will help to bind the biscuit mixture. Now to make the pudding mixture, to a bowl add about half liter of full cream milk. Once the milk is heated up, next add about 2.5 tablespoons of good quality instant coffee powder. Mix it in nicely till it's completely dissolved. Now I'm adding about half teaspoon of vanilla essence, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix everything till it's completely dissolved. Using a whisk would be ideal at this point. Now that we have the basic pudding mixture ready, next we're going to make the corn flour slurry. For this I've taken 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Add about 1/4 cup of milk. Mix everything together till the corn flour is completely dissolved. I'm going to add the corn flour slurry to thicken this mixture. Continue to mix it in nicely. Maintain the heat on a medium and keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. So after 2 to 3 minutes you can see it's thickened beautifully. At this point turn off the stove. To assemble the pudding, first I'm going to place the biscuit powder. Just take a few teaspoons of the ground biscuit powder and just add it to the base of the glass and gently press it. Even it out. Pour the pudding mixture into the glasses. Once the glasses come to about room temperature, refrigerate it for about an hour. After an hour you can see the pudding has set beautifully. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious and creamy coffee pudding. I'm just garnishing with some chocolate shavings so you can enjoy it however you want. Make sure you serve it nice and chilled. Wow, that pudding looks amazing. I can't get enough of it because I love coffee and this is a nice way to enjoy coffee. So you can see this delicious and creamy coffee pudding. We've made it in layers. It's very easy and very quick to make. So make sure you use a nice good quality instant coffee to make this dessert. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.